Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to unbox the Redragon K617 mechanical keyboard RGB, and this is the wired version. So I'm going to get my razor blade and cut it. When you purchase, it is sealed, so you can pull out or you can just simply cut it. You can peel out the stickers right here. If you want, you can peel it out like that, or you can use the razor blade and cut it across. So maybe I'm just going to peel it out instead. Alright, so half of them come off, half the one is just sticking to the box, so I'm just going to cut instead now. Okay, so cut that, and I'll open this one up. So here I'm going to open it out. Okay, so looks like this one is still sticking on, so I think I have to cut all the way through like this. It's kind of hard to pull out this one. Okay. Alright, so once we pull this tab out first, then we can open that. So you can't actually open this one first. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn it around. This is a compact keyboard. It is very small. Alright, so that is the keyboard right here. Now underneath here are cables. So we've got some cables here. I'm just gonna pull it out. So that's inside the box there. It's all empty now. Alright, so there's this clipper here that we can use. So you get one of that. So let's see what is inside this grabbing. Maybe there are switches that we can use to change the color. Okay, so 4 red switches that you can use. So there are 4 of them, so just drop one. Okay, so there are 4 red key right here that you can use. This clip will help pull out the keys from the keyboard right here. You can use it to pull out the key. And we got one USB-C cable to USB-C to USB-A, so it is a wired keyboard. We need to plug in the cable for it to work. Okay, I'm just gonna put that aside. Now inside this there is a piece of paper and a small guide right here. So there's a small guide in various different languages. So I'm just trying to open up the first page right here. Alright, so we've got English on one side, and then you got another language on the other side. Alright, so it tells you all the different functions and OS that it supports, mainly Windows computer. All the different function keys. So you got F function key, F1, F2, F3, and all of these different function keys that you can use on this keyboard right here. For the keyboard itself, you can see it is fairly small. The keys are quite clicky. It's got RGB backlight color on this keyboard. Okay, on the side here there is a plug. If I plug it in, that's a USB-C. We can open up this extension here. I wonder what this one is. So that's just kind of like a padding, a rubber pad to stop the keyboard from moving around. Alright, so I'm just switching on the computer right now. And you can see here it has the backlight. So there are different functions. I assume that you can change the colors of the keys. Here you can hear what it sounds like. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.